Welcome. In front of me is a Insta360 One RS camera, and today I'll just go over unboxing. I'm not gonna really go into overview of this just because it's not really my capital knowledge. So yeah, just pop it open. So we do have a 4K boost lens, whatever that means. 360. Any information useful here? We have a 5.7K 360 video, 4K wide angle video, 48 megapixel photo, follow state stabilization, horizontal lock, visible self-stick. What? Oh, I think I know what that is. Although I have only seen it in one device, where it just kind of like removes the stick that you'd be holding while recording. That would be fantastic. Waterproofing up to 5 meters, instant zoom. What else we have? 8K slow motion, 4K slow motion 360, active HDR, auto edit, and webcam mode. That's actually an interesting add-on. And it looks like that's basically all, though it might sound a little bit not correct. Like basically, it's a fairly feature-rich device. Anyway, let's pop it open. And in here, as you can see, we have our camera. Oh, it looks like that's about all we had in the box. So we got a little cover for our camera, which is an interesting add-on. So we just kind of like slap it like so, or get this, there we go. As you can see, it protects your lenses, which is nice. Let's assemble this. So oh, there we go. No. There is no magnets holding it, you just kind of like clip it on and just pull it apart. It, I guess, holds by only like friction, so all that, and I assume this will also hold it together. Oh, okay, so I think that's what we need to do. See if it will turn on. There we go, as you can see it's already working just fine. So there we go. So, like I said, nicely packed with accessories for basically anything that you would need. 360 camera with just a normal one as well, so you can swap them around. Little cover for your cameras, mounting for a tripod, and a charger, or charging cable. There is actually no charger in the box. So there we go. That's all we have in here, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.